Hello and welcome. My name is Vukile. We welcome to grooves from Mozambique. In Mozambique, we have what is called marabenda music, and the marabenda dance. So I'm gonna deal with one of the marabenda guys there. His name is Lisboa, or Lisboa Matavel, Lisboa Matavel, and the song is Sate Wamina. Sate Wamina. So we're gonna have this groove in the key of G. Let's play it here, right on the 5th fret, string number 2. You can also play it on string number 3. Sorry, string number 3, fret number 10 there. Okay, so let's see how we play that. The scale that we're using there is the major scale, which is our G major scale. Do, re, mi, fa, sol, la, ti, do. Now going back, do, ti, la, sol, fa. So I'm gonna end on the sofa here, which is, this is our 5th and this is our 4th. So the groove goes this way. It's pretty simple groove. So that's the groove. This groove is one of the grooves that I mentioned before, where you have to run down the scale. Now you're running from the 4th, 3rd, 2nd root. Okay, and then you do that when you're at the root, you're assuming now a 1. Then you can go 4, and then you run again. Sorry, 1 again and 5. Okay, now here is to demonstrate. That's the basic groove. You can add some other notes in there. You can add that. You see, this is the root. You can add the 6th there, just to complete. To leave no ghost notes there, and you can add the 3rd there when you strike the 5th. So the 4th and 6th, 5th and 5th and 3rd there. Okay. So let's go. Adding those notes will not it will even make it more interesting, so that you don't, if you don't want to play nothing. Otherwise, if you don't add them, so that's the basic groove. Okay. The addition of those 2 notes. The idea is don't make the 6th very prominent there or very outstanding. You just have to and the 3rd. Don't make it prominent, because otherwise it captures the whole setup. So all you need is to make your 4th and 5th head more than the 6th and the 3rd, if you decide to add the 6th and the 3rd there. Okay. That's the other way. You continue hitting this. That you hit it twice. The fourth, sorry, the fourth and the fifth, like this. It's as simple as that. And once you do that, you got the groove, man. You can add other things to make the groove even more interesting when you're playing this one. It's pretty good. Thank you very much for watching this. My name is Vukile. Please subscribe to these grooves so that you get grooves as they happen here, and you learn other countries' grooves. You learn to appreciate other people's music. And this is music from Mozambique, Marabenda music. There are lots of artists in Mozambique which I'll bring later on. I'll do at least one group from those artists that I know. And the next country we're going to move to is Malawi. We're going to look at grooves from Malawi. Thank you very much. My name is Vukile. Bye.